Hello, AP World History students. I apologize, I cannot be in class today. The reason why is because my daughter, Ella, is sick today. She has strep throat. So I had to leave this afternoon, and that's why I can't be in class today. So there you can see my amazing, beautiful, creative daughter, and she's not feeling well, so I got to be with her today. But I should be back tomorrow. I'll be with her today. But let's get to our work right now. Yeah, she's amazing, isn't she? All right, let's go ahead. Okay, we do have our vocab test in a little bit, but first here is an announcement. Believe it or not, I made a mistake. I handed you guys the wrong packet. I gave you 5.1 Part 2, those of you who took it early, not 5.1 Part 1. And I realized this when Christina, shout out to Christina, emailed me and said that none of the links were working for the video, and it's because it was the wrong one. I linked up here 5.1 Part 1 on our glorious website with its glorious red and black colors. Hey, don't blame me. I tried to change it. Freddie tried to. We couldn't do it. We can't figure out how to change this background. But anyway, so I handed you the wrong packet. You can keep that packet. That's going to be our next one. So if you got started on it, if you went online and found some of those links and notes, just keep it to the side for now. You will be using that information. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask our awesome, amazing teacher right now who is covering the class. And I'm going to ask our teacher to pass this out. This is the real next packet. So this is 5.1 Part 1, and it matches the website for those of you who are frustrated by that. So thank you, Christina, for emailing me and letting me know that. So let me give you your directions for class for today. We are going to start the vocab quiz in just a little bit, so be ready. You won't need to turn your note cards in, so don't take those out. Just sit still, relax. So here is what is going on. Let's look at what we have to do for tomorrow first, then we'll get to our test. So here it basically is. You have a test tomorrow. 3 of the SAQ questions. You should have already practiced these. You should pretty much have these ready. And then you have your new packet. And for that, finish up to page 4, Industrialization Fundamentally Changed How Goods Were Produced. So if our amazing, awesome teacher could make sure these are passed out if they're not already, get the first video done. First little part there, we got to kind of like summarize this. The first video, and do the vocab and stop here when we'll get fully into the Industrial Revolution. So make sure you're ready for your test tomorrow and get up to here on page 4, and we will continue with this packet. Don't worry, this one's only 32 pages long, so everyone should be okay. Except for Sabrina, but that's totally something else will happen to her. Oh wait, I said too much already. All right, anyway, so let's get to that thing you're all waiting for right now, and I'm sure you're all excited about our vocab test. Awesome. All right, so here is our vocab test. Let me get me out of the way here. Okay, up here now. Words are down there. Hey, vocab words. Now you're probably thinking, wait, there's 6 of them there, not 5. Here is what we are going to do. We're not going to have you turn in your note cards because I'm not there to collect them. So instead, here's what you're going to do. You may answer 5 of the 6. Answer 5 of the 6, and each one will be worth 2 points. And we will take this out of 20 points. It will be part of your standard. So 1 from new school, 1 from old school. You do not need to answer, but make sure you answer 5 of each, or at least try, because you do get a 0.5 out of 2, even if you try and it's wrong. So if we could have our awesome teacher do this. This is how the rest of the day is going to break down. In just a moment, she will pause me right up here, and then you guys will take your vocab test. When you are done taking the vocab test, I have signed out Lab 3. You may go into Lab 3 if you want to work there, or you can work at your desk, and you may prepare yourself for the test. If you want to work with somebody, you may work in groups no bigger than 3. 3 is the biggest, and you can work in either Computer Lab 3 or at the Commons at one of the tables. Okay? So number 1, finish the vocab test. Then number 2, when you're done, make sure you're ready for your test for tomorrow. And also you have a new packet, number 3, get all the way up to page number 4. That was pretty cool. Anyway, so I'm going to ask, so that's what you do when you are done, and that'll be all the way till the end of class. So I'm going to ask our teacher to pause it. I'll just be looking handsome up here while you guys are taking your test, and she pauses this, or he pauses this, and you will take your test. Good luck.